This one right here is the M Audio Oxygen 25. It's a controller and a MIDI control. It's a MIDI player and a controller in two, so it's a two-in-one device. And what I mean by that, with FL and a lot of other DAWs, for those that have MIDI controllers that don't know, you can assign these knobs and buttons to control different parameters within your DAW. Let me reiterate that so you can understand what I'm saying. You can assign each one of these knobs or buttons to do another function or control another parameter within your DAW. So they can make it a lot easier for you to move around, makes it a lot easier for you to execute certain moves, or if you just want to play live. However you choose to do that, the information is very helpful to know, because sometimes you're limited when you don't know about certain information. So with this MIDI controller and other MIDI controllers that are like it, you are able to assign different parameters to different buttons and knobs on here. With that being said, all you have to do is but this is the M Audio Oxygen 25. You connect it via USB. There's also a slot for a sustain key for those that know how to play with a pedal. I haven't gotten that good. I don't practice that much. And also there's a power switch and a Kensington lock space for those that have a Kensington lock and they want to lock it and have it changed to whatever thing so nobody will take it. So, and they call it the 25 because it's 25 keys. Yeah. But this thing is handy. It's multifunctional. I encourage people that don't have one. It's not a necessity, but it can come in handy. The next item I talk about, it's a little more affordable. This goes for $74.99 on Amazon. It's worth every penny, but there are cheaper options. Might not be as functional as this, but everything is not necessarily a necessity. So with that being said, this is the M Audio Oxygen 25 MIDI keyboard controller.